Now, it's the Gnostics who says Eve and Adam were both with Satan sexually, right? Now, it talks of the aeons raping Eve both naturally and obscurely, right? Which means they beguiled her into the sex and showed her both natural and obscure sex, and the same with Adam, right? See, because they're androgynous in nature, right? Hello. Now, the first one to do it is Satan himself with Adam and Eve, right? Then, right, the angels in Genesis 6, right? About a few thousand years later, right? Less than 1,500 years later, right? Before the flood. But like I said, time ain't on our side, but it is. We don't, we can't tell how old the earth is, right? By mere observation either, right? It looks older or younger, right? We can't tell, right? By just looking, right? Nor can you tell 100% by faith, right? I know. Yet when Moses wrote the Torah, which is where you're taking all this from, right? Either way. You're trying to phantom how God did it all. Yet both times after the flood and the 6 days of creation, it talks of replenishing the earth, right? And when it's dealing with it, there's something watery there, right? When he's dealing with it, right? Replenish means refill something, right? Or redistribute, right? Something that was already distributed, right? From Noah to the fall, isn't a whole lot of time according to the Bible. But yet we do see evidence of a global flood during the Ice Age, right? But that was 50,000 years ago according to them, right? Not a few thousand years, right? But yet you're hearing about it, right? In the days of Noah, too, through the Tales of Epic of Gilgamesh, right? That's where he really got the idea from, man. But you won't see that either, will you, Jews, right?